Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima, and today I will be taking you guys behind the scenes of another photo shoot. If you follow me already, you know I already did a maternity shoot in my backyard on a very snowy day. But today is another snowy day, and since I didn't get to take photos with my husband, today our friend Mano is doing us a favor by taking our pictures. But this is not going to be a day shoot, this is going to be a night shoot, so more challenges here. Also, we are going to try to recreate this photo right here from our engagement shoot long time ago back now, but we're gonna go to the same place and try to recreate the shoot. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, Mano is here, so he will say hi to all of you guys. Hi.
Hello. Who am I talking to?
To a random YouTube video.
Oh, hi YouTube. Welcome to the new bedroom. I'm not here.
You're not here?
It's clearly there. It is the ghost of a
Okay, so stick around for our shoot, indoor, outdoor. Don't know what it's gonna happen, but look, Boo is so happy to see Mano after 2 months maybe.
We're putting a canopy.
Wow! Wow! Boo. Wow! You love him?
You want to say hi?
You all love him?
He's gonna growl at you now.
Is he?
No, he's not. He loves me.
Hi! Hi! We're so happy to see Mano. Okay, so we are off to our location for a mini photo shoot. So, Mano, are you ready for this?
I think so. We'll figure it out.
Look at the snow outside. Look at all that snow. I think we can do this, right?
La 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 la.
So we just got some Timmy's before we hit the road, before we do our shoot, so that we're warm.
Gotta get the Timmy.
Gotta get the Timmy's.
No sure.
Don't tell me this is. That's not my order.
That's not your order?
Wait, this one says 3S. I guess that's.
Mine says. Mine is a French vanilla, which I love.
Okay.
So I'm good. But if anybody wants to have mine, it's fine. What do you guys need from me? You have the light, right? Oh, that looks so dense and nice. Aap aage ja rahe hain. You have to.
No, I'm pointing it so it's everything.
Okay. So we'll figure out the lighting situation. Okay, so we are at the location. We've parked our car, and these guys are trying to figure out the lighting. All these trees are beautifully covered in snow. I hope we can get this shot. So these guys are testing out some of the shots and angles and lighting. We are carrying an extra light, which is over there, and I have a tripod that I'm gonna set up to get some behind the scenes. Oh my god, it is cool.
Should I do this? Alright, so it's freezing outside. We're taking a warm-up break, but we got some amazing shoots, and like this is what we're looking at here. This is pretty epic.
We have Manu.
We've got the
This
best
is only
models in the world. That's why.
we have like mono up in here, and like it's a different game. So yeah.
Let's see.
I like that shot. What are you doing?
I'm gonna take some close-ups. Huh? Oh, there you go.
Look at the baby.
Abhinav's about to like wear a sari again. Abhinav, do you want to wear the dress? Is that what's happening?
These are behind the scenes.
So I think that is what I wanted.
Aww. That was really cute. Okay.
I love this one.
Yeah, I think it's so natural. Okay, so we are done shooting. These guys are wrapping up.
It's really cold.
It's so cold. And he's freezing as well. So we're getting back home. Okay, everyone's inside. The dress is inside. the door wouldn't close because the dress was so big. And we are going back home. We're nice and warm right now. Let's do it. Let's go home and grab some food. Okay, so we are back home. Gonna go and grab some food. Mom has made aloo matar, so we're gonna have that. So here are the final results. Check them out. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for being notified whenever I post. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.